Hey guys, welcome back to Life with Me. We're going to be talking about the environment today. Okay, so I am not an exceptionally environmentally conscious person overall. However, where I can, I will do the things that I believe are right and good for the environment. Let's go through the list pretty quickly. Laundry. So I try to buy eco-friendly products where possible. So if I'm using cleaners, things for the bathroom, things for the kitchen, laundry items, detergent, that kind of stuff, I'll try to use environmentally friendly products where I can. So this is something that I've tried to use in the past. I've had these for a while. So they are soap nuts. I don't know if you've heard of them, but they're pretty cool. So Himalayan soap nuts, what you do is you just take a little bag that is included in here, and you just throw in some of these soap nuts. Check this out. You may like it, you may not, but it's something to try. I got this, I believe, from, it's a store called Terra 20 in Ottawa. Check it out if you want. Our own produce and grocery bags. So grocery bags, we bring our own bags. We have a lot of those. And I actually made a purchase off of Amazon. So there are mesh bags for produce. So when you're in the store buying apples, oranges, your vegetables, throw it in these mesh bags. They're reusable. They are awesome. I love them. They're probably one of the greatest purchases that I've ever made. So I've been using these mesh bags forever. I actually do have a video, an older video on the mesh bags where I unbox it and I share more details about it. So check it out and I'll link it below, of course. Some people may already do, you may not do. So we use our own takeout containers when we are going out to eat. So a lot of times we order our food, it's too much, we can't finish it. So you get them to give you a takeout box or a doggy bag or whatever, right? However, I stopped doing that because I do not like the styrofoam containers that it comes in. I don't know if you noted that when you put in really hot food in those styrofoam containers, it looks like it's melting. And that's just like gross, isn't it? It's like leaching into your food. So I prefer to bring my own glass, Pyrex glassware, just to put it in. I have a bag that I will, bring right into the restaurant. And then if I can't finish my food, I'll just take it out and I'll put it in. No big deal. Okay, stop buying and using straws. So unfortunately, a lot of restaurants still use regular plastic straws. Sometimes I forget to tell them not to give me a straw and it comes anyways and it's already in the drink. So I'm like, oh, I'm kind of forced to, use it because it's already there, right? I'm actually not sure what to do with an old box that I had, but that's something that's really bad for the environment. So I really try to avoid using straws. Donations. So if you've been to my channel, you know that I've made some videos on decluttering. So I try not to just dump things, throw them away in the trash, because it could be useful for other people, especially things like clothes, shoes, bags. Go to a place around your neighborhood and just donate your goods. I actually went to a local value village where they accept donations, and I donated, I think, 3 or 4 pairs of shoes. And I've been hanging on to them forever, but I have not worn them in years, and I probably won't wear it again. And lastly, again, I know this is very difficult because of the pandemic, but try to avoid disposable goods where possible. Even if you do have to use disposable goods, if possible, try to use it more than once. So things like our face masks, I do try to use it more than once. When I go get takeout, I usually tell them, not to include cutlery, the plastic cutlery and the napkins and whatever, because I'm just bringing it home. I can just use my own stuff, right? So that was all I had. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I know sometimes it can be a little, out of your way to be environmentally conscious, but I think it's really important. So hope you liked it, and I will see you next time. Thank you so much. Bye.